Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the work environment, not as a replacement, but as an ally that empowers human capabilities. The image shows how AI integration poses challenges and opportunities to balance technological efficiency with people's unique skills, such as creativity and empathy, that if you want to know how to prepare your company for this collaborative future, this video is for you. In the publication, Human-AI Collaboration in the Workplace, 2023, this article discusses how the skills needed in the workplace are changing with the advent of AI. The image illustrates how combining technical competencies, such as data analysis, with soft skills, such as communication, improves human-machine collaboration. I end the publication. Automation Anxiety, 2023. According to this study, the perception of automation generates uncertainty in some employees. However, workers who see AI as a tool that complements their work report higher job satisfaction. Design ongoing training programs that prepare employees to collaborate with AI and reduce anxiety about the future of work. In Deloitte's report, Humans and Machines, Strategies for Successful Collaboration, 2024, Deloitte reveals that companies that view AI as a co-pilot experience a 20% increase in productivity. The image shows how integrating AI into teams can combine technological speed with human judgment. I end McKinsey's report. The Future of Work, 2023. This report predicts that 60% of jobs can benefit from partial automation, transforming roles rather than eliminating them. The key recommendation is to train employees to monitor and manage advanced technologies. According to the MIT Technology Review report, AI Augmentation, 2023. Augmented AI enhances human capabilities rather than replacing them. The image illustrates how tools such as virtual assistants enable employees to focus on strategic tasks. According to the Forbes Technology Council report, AI and Team Dynamics, 2024. This article highlights how AI optimizes communication and task assignment in global teams. Companies implementing these solutions have reduced duplication of tasks and improved internal coordination. The cases presented show that the key to integrating AI into the workplace is to foster collaboration rather than substitution. This requires an investment in training and strategic design that leverages both technological efficiency and human strengths, such as creativity and empathy. If you want to implement human-machine collaboration strategies in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll design an approach that combines technology and human talent to maximize business success. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.